northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, and Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8 a.m. At 3:49 a.m. the radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Bensalem, Norristown, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Yaddo, Conshohocken. This includes the following highways: Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 7 and 19. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 14 and 37. Interstate 676 between mile markers 0 and 1. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 25. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 326 and 348. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services. Request a fastest information to the